Naomi. I hope you're doing well today. Hope you had a chance to get outside yesterday in the sunshine. It looks like we've got some cold weather coming, so it's not going to be very nice to be outside in the next few days. Well, we have some math to do, Naomi, and I think it'll go pretty quickly today. I'll help you through it, and we'll work together. So you will need to grab some crayons and a pencil and your math paper, and let's go to our workplaces so we can get busy today. So here we go. All right, Naomi, I'd like you to grab 2-6, the number 0. That's what we're going to be learning about today. And please put your name at the top of this paper. When it's time to bring all your work to school again, I'd like to see all this wonderful work you've been doing. I've been hearing that you're working very hard, so I'm really proud of you for that, Naomi. We'll keep doing that hard work and learning lots. Well, it looks like I've got a basket or a bag, and I can see by the gardening gloves I've been out in the garden. I'm going to use my M&Ms again for counters to show the number 0 and other numbers too. Well, we'll do a little pretending with this one. I have a vegetable garden, and I don't have anything in my basket. I haven't picked anything from the garden yet, I guess. The basket is empty. How can I use a number to show that the basket is empty? That's right. When you have nothing or none, we use the number 0. And the 0 looks like this. Now, if I want to show that in our boxes over here, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to leave it blank. 0 means nothing, so I shouldn't color in any squares. Well, let's say I went to my garden, and this time I picked one red tomato. It's kind of small, isn't it? Either that or I have a very big basket. If I look at my boxes and I want to show one tomato, I'm just going to color in one of these boxes. And you can color in yours now too, Naomi. Just going to color it in kind of quickly. Not going to scribble, but I'm not going to take a really long time to color it. And I'm going to go back to my garden again. And this time I'm going to pick, let's see, I'll find something really quickly. How about peppers? How many peppers did I pick, Naomi? Yeah, I see 2. So in my boxes on the side of the paper, you can see that they're shaded in a little bit green already. And there are 2 boxes shaded in to show that I have 2 peppers. I can't put 2 peppers on my paper, so this is just a way for me to show how many I have. All right, let's do a couple more. We're going to go to the other side of your paper, and we'll pick something else from the garden. I know our gardens aren't ready quite yet. It's just a little too cold, but we can pretend for now. All right, let's see, in my garden, I picked this many blueberries. How many is this? Right, now show me up here what that would look like in our boxes. You color yours in, I'll color mine in, and we'll see if ours look the same. Did you color in 2 boxes? Very good. We have 2 blueberries and 2 boxes to show how many blueberries we picked. All right, let's go to our garden again. This time I'm going to pick squash. How many squash do you see? Good. Now color in that many boxes over here. You color in yours, I'll color in mine. Let's see if they look the same. You might not have used the same color, and that's okay. We want to see if we colored in the same number of boxes. Good. I have one squash, so I colored in one box. Now I'm going to pick potatoes. How many potatoes do you see? None? I don't see any either. What will you do over here? Did you say leave it blank? That a girl. Leaving it blank shows none, and none is 0 or nothing. Good job. Let's flip it over. All right, we've got a little picture, little story at the top. Looks like a bird is flying with balloons. How many balloons do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. While the bird was flying along, one popped. How many balloons are there now? 1, 2. 2 balloons left. Oh no, another one popped. How many balloons do you see now, Naomi? Just one. And poor bird, the last one popped. How many balloons does the bird have? Right, 0. Poor bird. That's a way for us to show nothing, or the other number of balloons that we have. Now I see some apples sitting on a plate. How many apples do you see, Naomi? If you said 3, you're right. And I see that there are boxes shaded in to show the 3 apples. Here's 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. So your boxes should look like mine. If you used red to show the apples, that's okay too. I see a plate. How many pieces of fruit are on this plate? There are no pieces of fruit? You're right, I don't see any either. What will we do with this box picture? That's right, leave it blank. There are no pieces of fruit, so we're not going to color in any square. How many oranges do you see? Did you say 2? Way to go. Now in the squares, show me how many oranges there were by coloring in that many squares. Since there were 2 oranges, there's 1, 2. I think you're getting the hang of this. Let's go to the next page. I see a vase. That reminds me of our letter for this week's Super Kids. V for vase. How many flowers are in the vase? That's right, there are 0. If I have 0 flowers, how many boxes will I color in over here? That's right, 0. Now how many flowers are in the vase? Good, there are 3. How many boxes will you color in over here? See if your boxes look the same as mine. Did you color in all 3? A super job. And the very last one. How many flowers are in this vase? 0 again? Are you going to color any squares? That is right. You are not going to color any squares because there are 0 flowers to color. Way to go, Naomi! We did work through that math. You did a fantastic job, and now you're done. Have a good day, Naomi. Bye-bye.